Did you know that the world consumes over 2 billion metric tons of avocados annually? This staggering number highlights just how much this creamy green fruit has become a staple in diets across the globe. This beloved fruit, once a delicacy enjoyed by a select few, has now become a global obsession. Its versatility in culinary applications has made it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. But amidst this avocado frenzy, one question lingers. Where do the most delicious avocados come from? Is it the sun-drenched orchards of California or the fertile lands of Mexico that produce the best avocados? Join me on a culinary adventure as we delve into the world of avocados. We'll travel to the heart of avocado country and find out why they are so popular across the globe. We'll uncover the secrets behind their exceptional flavor. From the soil composition to the climate, every detail matters in producing the perfect avocado. Get ready to explore the origins of the most delicious avocados on earth. We'll journey through different regions, each with its unique approach to avocado farming, and discover what makes their avocados stand out. Finding the perfect avocado is a pursuit many of us can relate to. That feeling of anticipation as you slice into a ripe avocado, hoping for a vibrant green flesh and a buttery texture, is unmatched. But the reality is, not all avocados are created equal. It requires understanding the delicate balance of factors that influence their flavor, from the variety and growing conditions to the expertise of the farmers themselves. Growing avocados is a dance with nature, a delicate balancing act of sunshine, rainfall, and soil conditions. Too much rain can dilute the flavor, while drought can stress the trees, affecting fruit quality. Pests and diseases pose constant threats, demanding vigilance and sustainable farming practices to protect the precious harvest. Stepping into the world of avocados is like entering a room filled with diverse flavors and textures. Forget the common Hass avocado, there exists a rainbow of varieties, each boasting a unique taste profile. From the nutty, buttery richness of the Hass to the smooth, mild flavor of the Fuerte, the possibilities are endless. Some varieties, like the bacon, are prized for their early ripening, while others, like the reed, are celebrated for their large size and creamy texture. The Hass legacy, a California story. Our quest for the most delicious avocados leads us to California, a state synonymous with avocado production. It's here that the ubiquitous Hass avocado, named after Rudolph Hass, a California postman, rose to prominence. Hass stumbled upon a unique avocado seedling in his backyard in the 1920s. Its superior taste and long shelf life revolutionized the avocado industry, making it the most popular variety worldwide. California's ideal climate and fertile soil provide the perfect environment for Hass avocados to thrive. Beyond California avocado paradises. While California remains an avocado powerhouse, our journey takes us beyond its borders to explore other avocado paradises. From the misty highlands of Mexico, the birthplace of avocados, to the sun-drenched groves of Chile and Peru, each region imparts unique characteristics to its avocados. Mexico, with its ancient connection to avocados, boasts an astounding variety, each with distinct flavors and textures. Chile's Mediterranean climate and volcanic soil produce avocados with a rich, buttery flavor. Peru, a rising star in the avocado world, offers large, creamy avocados perfect for guacamole and avocado toast. The farmer's touch, secrets to quality. Behind every delicious avocado lies the dedication and expertise of farmers who understand the nuances of this finicky fruit. These farmers spend years mastering the art of avocado cultivation, learning the specific needs of each tree and the best practices to ensure a bountiful harvest. From grafting and pruning to irrigation and pest control, their knowledge and care are essential in producing high-quality avocados. It's all about understanding the rhythm of nature, shares Carlos, a third-generation avocado farmer in Mexico. Carlos emphasizes that each season brings its own set of challenges and opportunities, and being in tune with these natural cycles is key to successful farming. Knowing when to prune, when to irrigate, and when to harvest makes all the difference in flavor. Sustainable farming practices, such as using natural fertilizers and preserving water resources, also play a crucial role in ensuring the long-term health of the trees and the quality of the fruit. By adopting these eco-friendly methods, farmers not only protect the environment, but also enhance the taste and nutritional value of the avocados. These practices ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy this beloved fruit. The perfect avocado, a matter of taste. After traversing the globe and tasting countless avocados, the question remains, what makes an avocado truly delicious? The answer, like most things in life, is subjective. Some prefer the rich, buttery flavor of the Hass, while others gravitate towards the nutty notes of the Fuerte. Ultimately, the perfect avocado is the one that brings you the most joy. Whether you enjoy it simply sliced on toast or incorporated into a complex dish, let your taste buds guide you. Avocado adventures await. Our journey into the world of avocados has revealed the intricate tapestry of factors that contribute to their exceptional flavor. From the soil they grow in to the climate they thrive in, every detail matters. From the dedication of farmers who nurture these trees with care, to the unique characteristics of different varieties, each avocado tells a story. The Hass, with its creamy texture, or the Fuerte, known for its smooth, buttery taste, each variety offers something special. Now it's your turn to embark on your own avocado adventure. Explore local farmers markets where you can find a range of avocado types, each with its own distinct flavor profile. Experiment with different varieties and discover the flavors that speak to you. Whether you prefer the rich, nutty taste of the bacon avocado or the mild, creamy flavor of the Pinkerton, there's an avocado out there for everyone. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from classic guacamole to innovative avocado toast recipes. And share your culinary creations with the world. Post your avocado dishes on social media and inspire others to join in on the avocado fun. After all, the journey is just as delicious as the destination. The joy of discovering new flavors and sharing them with loved ones is what makes this adventure so special. What are your favorite ways to enjoy avocados? Do you have a special recipe or a unique way of preparing them? Share your recipes and avocado adventures in the comments below. Let's create a community of avocado enthusiasts who celebrate this amazing fruit together.